This set of videos will be using a PC, not a Mac, but the programs say that they will work for Mac users, and I imagine the setup process is pretty similar. Now, I've been building WordPress sites since early 2010, and I've always thought that building a local or offline version of a WordPress working environment was too hard, and so I never really took the time to learn how. Well, I'm embarrassed to say that after setting one up for the first time, I thought something was missing because it was so easy, and most importantly, everything was working. So hopefully by the end of these videos, your possible fear of building a local WordPress environment will be a thing of the past as well. Just to make sure that we're all on the same page, a local WordPress setup is where you have WordPress and all of its required guts like the database, PHP, and Apache server installed on your computer. Now, there are some pros and cons to using the local versus the online or web-based version of WordPress. The online version is what we've been covering in the previous volumes. That allows us to share our posts and files just seconds after we create them. Just give someone the URL, boom, they've got it. Can't do that with the local version because everything is hosted on our computer, not on an internet hosting service like a GoDaddy or a Bluehost. But that is also one of the pros of the local version. You see, with the local version, you can create content, mess with new plugins and themes, and even edit or customize things without the concern of anybody seeing what you're doing because it is all happening on your computer, not online where anyone can find it and see it. In addition to being able to mess with stuff while not letting anyone see what you're doing, there's also no cost to doing this. You do not have to purchase a domain nor hosting. Just need a computer. This means that you can build WordPress sites anywhere in the world because you do not need an internet connection. You have the ability to create an unlimited number of WordPress sites. Well, you are limited by the size of your hard drive, but I think you get the picture. One of the main things that I use my local setup for nowadays is as a clone or a mirror of my online sites. Any major updates to the core files of WordPress, well, I just do those on my local version first to see if anything breaks. If it does, well, my online or real site is not affected. Same goes for any customizations that I want to make on my online or money sites. I make them first on my local version before I make them on my live online version. Now, if you're like me, you will probably ignore what I'm about to say, but I'm going to say it anyway. Be sure to watch all the videos in this volume once, at least once anyway, before you actually begin the process of installing WordPress locally. Okay, that pretty much covers the basics of the differences between the local setup that we're getting ready to build and the online versions that we've worked with so far. And that's going to bring us to the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and you have a great day.